guys, welcome back to our channel, Anna and Hong, and today I'll be trying out this unique DIY boba kit at home. So given the current situation, a lot of people actually can't go out their houses, so why not make your favorite boba tea at home? This one I have today is from BBT Club or BBT Club, and I'm super excited because I've never done this before and I'm really curious to see if this one will be just as good as the ones made in store. So let's go! So here are all the ingredients out of the box. We have a creamer powder. So I think that's just to make the bubble tea creamy and milky. We have fructose syrup, which is super unhealthy for you, but much needed in boba. We have, of course, the bubble tea pearls. We have the tea. This one's premium black tea. And they also gave us bubble tea straws, which is super handy because so apparently, per the packaging, it's actually made in Taiwan, which is really surprising to me. Bubble tea originated in Taiwan from my understanding. So yeah, I think it's gonna be really good. So let's get started with the cooking. So actually there's no instructions in the box. What you have to do is open up the package at the back and there's actually a QR code. So I'm just gonna scan that on my phone. It's taking a while. Maybe it's like the lighting. Oh, found it. Okay, so this takes me to the Bubble Tea Club. So I think I'm just gonna click on bubble tea recipes. Wow, that looks so good. So today I'm gonna try the original milk tea. So let's go for original. Oops. Oh, nice. There's the whole recipe here. So it makes 500 ml serving and it takes almost half an hour to make, which is not too bad. 107 calories only. What? So obviously you also need ice for this recipe because it's going to be cold bubble tea, but the instructions don't look too bad actually. There's only 4 steps. No, actually, never mind. There's a lot more steps than that, but it's not too bad, and this only has 107 calories. Like,
is that real?
Because bubble tea, from my knowledge, has like 400-500 calories per serving. So let's see if this is going to taste just as good as the ones in store. I'm confident enough to get started. Let's go. The first step is to actually tackle the tapioca pearls. So I'm going to prepare 360 ml of water in a pot, boil that, put the pearls inside the boiling water and cook over a low flame and stir occasionally for, wow, 20 minutes. That's a long time.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you're enjoying this content.
So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of these BBT tapioca pearls. Okay guys, do not mush your pearls as you bring it out or else it becomes like mush. Now I'm going to add water. This is boiling water. 360 ml, but once again, I'm just gonna eyeball it. So now I'm just gonna stir it as the water's boiling. Make sure the pearls don't stick to the bottom. And I'm gonna put it on lower heat. And this is gonna be here for 20 minutes. So in the meantime, I'm gonna make the tea. So here it says to put 250 ml of hot water in with 1 tea bag and steep for 3 to 10 minutes depending on how strong you like the tea to be. I like my tea to be very strong, so it kicks you in the face with your flavor. So I'm gonna do it for maybe 10 minutes. Wow, that's a big tea bag. This is the biggest tea bag I've ever seen. Whoa, do you see this?
Wow.
It's heavy.
That's massive.
Smells like normal black tea actually. Doesn't smell particularly strong yet, so let's put that in there. This tip I learned is to pour only a little bit of water in a glass cup first before pouring the rest, or else it'll crack. Cool, so I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. So it's been around 15 minutes and Hong used to work in a boba shop in Sydney, and apparently how you tell a pearl is cooked is if you see like the darker, almost black ones, those are cooked because it's more translucent, whereas the one that's not cooked are the really brown looking ones still. Time is up, it's been 20 minutes and this is what the pearls look like. The water is like very starchy and it looks like brown sugar syrup. So I've got all my ingredients lined up here now. So I've got the cooked boba pearls. They look really good. It looks chewy, glistening, bouncy. I've also got the tea here that's been brewing for, I think, over 10 minutes because I like my tea strong. And I also have a cup here with ice inside. I'm going to assemble the milk tea now. So the instructions say to put in 3 tablespoons of fructose syrup and 3 tablespoons of creamer into the tea now. What? It smells like bubble tea inside. It's not like milk powder that I expected. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons. 1, 3. And then 3 tablespoons of this syrup, but because I like my milk tea like 30% sugar only, so I'm just gonna maybe do 2 today. This stuff is really unhealthy for you. Get a larger cup, guys. So now I'm just gonna stir it with my chopsticks. Oh my god, it's an apocalypse here. I feel like I really work in a milk tea shop, but it's really tiring. Okay, so now the last step is to put in the pearls. Just gonna, oh, it's clumping up already actually, so just keep that in mind. So now I'm gonna pour the boba on top. Oh. Wow. Yay, this looks good. So now I'm gonna use the boba straw they gave me. Let's see what it looks like. Ah, it's paper-based. Very environmentally friendly. So I'm just gonna stir it through. I should cook more pearls, eh? Could have had more pearls. Let me just let this cool down for a bit and merge its flavors together. Alright, moment of truth, guys. Smells quite nice. Okay, I'm very nervous. Please be good. Please be worth it. Wow. This actually tastes like the ones in the shop. I'm not even joking. What? The pearls are more chewy than I want. So if I could do it again, I would cook the pearls a bit longer, maybe like 2 to 3 minutes longer. Just because when it hits the cold liquid, it becomes harder and more chewy. But if you like chewy pearls, just follow the recipe. The milk tea itself, my goodness, it actually is like real milk tea from Boba shop. Because of the fructose syrup, and I think it has like some other flavoring in the creaming powder, in the creamer powder, and the tea is super strong. It literally tastes the same as the ones in shops. Very sweet. Even 2 tablespoons of fructose is very sweet, so I would maybe do 1 next time. This is really good. Wow. Wow. Love this. The tea flavor is actually quite strong. It's not subtle at all. Strong tea flavor, strong creaminess, very creamy actually, and very sweet. So if you want boba at home and you don't want to go to the shops, then this is definitely recommended. Anna approved, and yeah. I'll leave the link to this product and where you can find it in the description box below. I am not sponsored, so I don't get any commission off that, but do click on it if you're interested. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want more of this content, and leave a comment down below if you've tried this or if you're curious about it or if you have any other questions, and I'll be more than happy to answer. Now I'm gonna go drink this and enjoy the rest of my day, so I'll see you guys in our next episode very, very soon. Bye!